Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Air, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down right here where we have our time and or not time, but battery percentage, battery, and like Wi-Fi. So you just want to swipe down specifically on this little icon. There we go. That doesn't for some reason always work when you're using a pen, because why would it with $100 pen? Anyway, so you can see we have a bunch of toggles, but none of these toggles will be a power saving mode, so we need to add it ourselves by holding our finger or pen somewhere in the empty space right here. You can see it changes, and now we can select add a control and then find the power saving one. I can also quickly search for it. Let's see if I can find it. And there we go, a low power mode. So we're just gonna click on that, and you can see it gets added right here. So now we just tap somewhere on the empty space. There we go. And you can click on that icon to turn on your power saving mode. And that's about it. You can also see that the brightness went a little bit down to preserve battery, and there's going to be a couple of things happening in the background which will most likely be affecting the way you receive your notifications from applications. So if you see that something just starts working differently than you might be used to, this is most likely caused by the power saving mode. Now once you're done with it, you can just tap on the toggle once again to turn it off. But with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.